Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to download Battlefield 6. Whether you're a longtime fan or just getting started, this quick tutorial will have you up and running in no time. Before we dive in, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. It really helps the channel. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. Type in download Battlefield 6 and click on the top result, which will take you to EA's official website. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your date of birth and hit submit. This will bring you to the main game page. Here, click the orange Buy Now button. You'll see a few platform options like EA App, Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, and Epic Game Store. Choose the one you prefer. Today, I'll use Steam. On the Steam page, scroll down until you find the Add to Cart button. Select the base game unless you want one of the special editions. Then go to View My Cart and click Continue to Payment. Depending on your region, you can pay using PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Skrill, or PaySafe. Complete your purchase and you're ready for the next step. Once purchased, go to your game library. Battlefield 6 should appear there automatically. If it doesn't start installing on its own, just click the blue install button and the game will download and install on your PC or laptop. And that's it. You're now ready to jump into Battlefield 6 and start playing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.